Okay, right now I'm gonna introduce my code, which is for number 13. Oh, it's 16. Sorry about that. It's 13. So yeah, I think this question is pretty easy and refers to the question of the math, which we have to like introduce a function which requires 2 points and to calculate the slope of the function. I mean the line actually. So let's get started. We pour SYS, which is our test tool, and we define our slope, which is x1, y1, x2, y2. And here's a small tiny thing. The function, I mean, yeah, for the function, it should be written by it should be y1 minus y2 and equals to m times x1 minus x2. So that is the function which requires 2 points to get our slope for the what's that called? For the line, yep. And so we defined our function as x1 y1 x2 y2, which is x2 minus y1 or x1 minus y2, which either way will be fine. And we got our y over x, which we can just replace the y. I mean, just move the x to d here, which will becomes m equals to y over x, which is what's the value of return. So, and our next function is define I, which is right here. It is intercept. How to call it? No mind. So for this function, it is the same. This asks us to know this other function, which is what's that called? It should be y equals to mb plus b mx actually plus b, which is this. So for here, so I write x equals to x. Oh, I should get more space here. Otherwise, it's hard to see that. And for x equals to x1, let me think about it. I know it works or not. Why did I write this? I don't know. Maybe we should cancel it. Just wait a second. Okay, fine. And get more space. And there we go. So m, which is exactly where the s from. I mean the function is from, basically from here, which we have to know the slope to get our solution B. So we get yes, actually, you know what, we can just get 1 point from that, and maybe we can write simple, like maybe we can just you know what, maybe we can just do like 1. We can just place it here to make it more clear. So as you see, so here we got our slope, and according to this function we have 4 values, which are already know 3. So the rest of them, which is b, we can know by know just like move that mx to here, which is y minus m times x1. So we return b as our result, and we run some test. We run some test for the intercept and the slope. So let's run this. Yeah, let's double check it. Yes. Okay. Let's double check it. See, it is working. Test. Yeah, test. Blah blah blah. It's okay. Test. Blah 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 blah. It's okay as well. There we go. Thank you.